This is my Solving Global Problems project, which is water pollution by me, Spencer Olson. What's the problem? The problem is that we are polluting our oceans, which can negatively affect our environment, marine ecosystem, and even our own water supply. For example, we're using plastic just once, then throwing it away without even considering to recycle, even though the recycling process for plastic could be very difficult. All this plastic and other forms of materials that we throw away is polluting our oceans, especially in the eastern Pacific between California and Hawaii. This is one of the patches in our world's oceans that stretches on for miles. This patch is called the GPGP. Solving the problem. We are trying to solve the problem. What people are doing with the GPGP are creating a project which is supposed to collect the plastic and other wasted materials. This project does not pick up the marine life because the currents or water block the marine life from coming in the net, since the project works slower than water. Companies are trying to find an alternative to making plastic. There is an alternative to plastic, and that is hydrobiodegradable plastic. Hydrobiodegradable plastic will degrade in a landfill, which is where most of our trash goes, and emit CO2. Action plan. I think that we could also do something to contribute to solving this problem. First, we stop using plastic and use the alternative, hydrobiodegradable plastic. Now that we don't have to worry about polluting the ocean, we can now focus on the project to clean up the pollutions in our world's oceans. Once we find the efficient way to clean up the oceans from the pollutions, we test it and execute the project. If we do that, I believe that in a few years, if we don't pollute the ocean even more and keep cleaning up the ocean, we'll be free of the problem that is water pollution. Conclusion. This concludes my PowerPoint on the issue of water pollution. This issue is important because if we don't solve the problem, we are endangering the marine ecosystem, environment, and even our own water supply. Thank you, and I hope that inspired you to take the problem of water pollution into consideration for a problem we're solving. This is my works cited.